Get ready to discover how ChatGPT can help you master AI and tackle your wildest challenges. Buckle up and let's dive in. Imagine having the power to solve problems, answer questions, and generate creative ideas just by using cutting-edge AI technology. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is an impressive language model that can revolutionize the way you work, learn, and communicate. From content creation to brainstorming, the possibilities are endless. To get started, simply sign up for ChatGPT on the OpenAI platform. You'll gain access to the API and documentation, which will guide you through using this powerful AI tool. Once you've got your API key, integrate ChatGPT into your applications or projects. Watch as this AI assistant provides you with quick, accurate, and creative solutions to your toughest challenges. Unleashing ChatGPT is just the beginning of your AI adventure. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and success stories that will spark your curiosity and excitement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. Catch you in the next one.